different kind of potato. Unfortunately, I can't eat coconut milk. The sago, I eat it. And then some sticky rice. The Videoke machine box right now. Hi guys. Don't mind my face, by the way. It's part of my pregnancy symptoms. Today is Holy Week. Today is actually Holy Thursday. Welcome to my home vlog. And today is Holy Week, so I am going to share to you guys how to make tabira or how to cook tabira and what are the ingredients for tabira. By the way, don't judge my face, okay? I still have a great smile, Jay said. So these are the ingredients for tabira. This is by the white sticky rice. There is also red or some purple sticky rice, but they don't have. So we have this one, and then some sugar, and this one. Sige nga na ni ma?
Landang.
Ha?
Landang.
Landang? Landang in English, but I don't know in... I mean landang in Bisaya, but I don't know in English, but it looks like this. And this is a sago. We have color pink and color green. I think they called it pearl in English. Something, yeah. And this one, they are going to wash this before mix with this. And also this one, they are going to wash it first. And right here, this is a different kind of potato. This is sweet potato, which is yellow. And this one, sweet potato, that is orange. And down here, this one. This is purple gabi. I don't know in English. Yeah, we call it purple gabi. And there is also a white gabi that I showed you before already. And right here, mom is peeling some banana to mix it all. I think that's the ingredients. Or oh, my cousin is doing some coconut crushing. Earlier, we peel the sweet potato and the gabi. I have some stains right here. Yeah. So one of the ingredients also is coconut milk. And right there, yeah, there's more right here. This is, by the way, old coconut. Unfortunately, I can't eat much of coconut milk, so I don't know if I can eat this, if it's good for me. Last time I ate something with coconut milk, I puke. So let's see. Yeah, so dad is making some Videoke machine. It's my cousin's order. He ordered Videoke machine and dad is making it. He bought some materials and then so my sister is peeling. Hi. My sister is peeling some pomelo.
Kumilo, ne?
Pomelo in Tagalog, but I don't know in English. I think grapefruit.
Mura.
Yeah, that's grapefruit in English. Hi.
Oh.
Hi. Diba? Na. That's pomelo. Come on, open it. Diyan na. Oh. Nice nails.
May makasulod.
Ay, naunsa. Bukay ba mo?
Ayaw pa!
Tingnan si.
Sa day to day. Wala man to good. Open. Ding! Yeah.
Uy, kalam.
Baby. It's the pomelo. Grapefruit.
Uy, bahin.
Smells so good. Get some buong one. It's sweet, by the way. Dip in the salt
Malaman.
and eat.
Oh, laman yung pan.
Salt.
Laman. Kaya po.
Bukaon ka kana pong sirado po rin mong babaw. Kailangan mong kita na ang kung Peso mong kas mong kwarto good.
Nada?
Our pot for today. So messy in the background. Anyway, my mom put all the sweet potato and the gabi. And then later we are going to put the rice also, which is the sticky rice. Yeah. It's gonna take a while to cook all of this. So probably 30 minutes or more until it's tender. And then put some of the ingredients then after. So my aunt put the sticky rice. Oh, that's rice. Oh, that's by the way rice. Ah, it's so hot. So that's the sticky rice, the sago, and then the tapioca. Landang. Ah. Yeah, put them together. Oh my God, it's hot. Yeah, this is for like a lot of people. And then later, it's gonna, the water's gonna make like soft or, ah! Wait lang. Ay, init. Yeah, that's it. Ay, butike. Ah! So dad is making some videoke machine. So that's what it looks like right now. They started today actually in the afternoon, and that's the progress as of 5 p.m. I'm so excited for the outcome and show you. So my mom put the banana. Wow, that's a lot. That's a lot, guys. Now it's getting more sticky because of the sticky rice. And also they put some rice and then some sticky rice mixed with it. And that's what it looks like right now. So this is the videoke it looks like right now. Yeah, that's a piece of wood that my father cut earlier. Furnace gas.
It's really hard.
So it's cooking, yeah. And then after that, my aunt's going to put some sugar. And then I'm going to remove some of it because I can't eat with coconut milk. So yeah, I'm going to eat it without coconut milk. Then sugar. Yeah, that's a lot. That's a lot. But that's also a big pot.
Maghabwa man kay maghabwa ba di panandaan kay
This is the tabira without a coconut milk. And I have here, yes. There, mom just put the coconut milk. So this is the tabira with coconut milk. And actually, it tastes better with coconut milk. But I just can't eat it, so just stick with it.
May!
Wait! Don't go! Oi! Yeah, so this is the Videoke machine box right now. It's been 4 hours probably of working this one, or 5 hours already. Yeah. And then they're going to put some cover in it, and some metal at the edge, and some speakers. Yeah, looks nice. Uy, uy, Sham! Picture.
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago.